Welcome to Turkey Thumpers. Finally, I get to hunt, and I get one. Stay tuned for this hunt.
You might ask yourself, what is Turkey Thumpers all about? It's about hunting with family, spending time with friends. It's about hunting in God's great outdoors. And oh yeah, thumping turkeys. Did I say thumping turkeys?
And I did.
So stay tuned to the 2012 season of Turkey Thumpers.
As you can see, the video footage was okay. It looked that way. I haven't actually looked at it yet, but we were in close contact. These nice 3-year-old birds walking up and down this road that we were on, and this is the best place we could get and put the tent. Now, I've been hunting with Tad, been hunting with my dad, and as you can see in the previous episode, you know, I had some problems with Dad. He just wanted to shoot all the turkeys, which was okay because, you know, I'm happy with him shooting them all. But anyway, he just went home this morning, so I'm filming and shooting. So first evening out, I get a bird, and it's finally good. And I thought it was a 2-year-old, but he's got hooks like a 3-year-old. I'll show you those right now. At least it is for Georgia. So I'm really excited. So here I am. It's about 85 degrees, which is extremely hot for March 29th. And you know, and a storm's rolling in. It's about 6 o'clock when I shot the bird. The rain's supposed to be here at 6:30. Actually, I've been calling, and I was sitting in the blind, looking at on my iPhone, looking at the weather, trying to figure out when I need to get out so my decoys and my electronics didn't get wet. And a neighbor over here shot a little .22 pistol, and these 3 gobblers gobbled at him. And then he shot again, they gobbled again. So he's about a couple hundred yards out. So I started trying to call to them, and they came right up. And as you saw in the video, they're not the dominant birds. I think they're more, all 3 of them are more of the subordinate ones, because they wouldn't come up and, you know, slap Barack or anything. They were kind of a little uneasy, a little nervy. They almost got away trying to film in this tent. It's hard. And luckily this one peeked his head back around and he came in the frame and I popped him. He's got a good, I'd say it's about an 8.5 inch beard. He got some nice spurs. I'll show you those spurs right now. But anyway, I'm really proud. You know, this makes our 6th turkey for the Givens clan and for Turkey Thumpers. And I'm just excited. So I hope you enjoyed that hunt. Stay tuned. We're going to keep chasing them. I still got tags. And keep watching Turkey Thumpers. Thanks for watching.